Hey, what's up? Welcome to my backyard. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Alright, so I've been talking to a couple buddies of mine, and we want to do this new challenge called the Rib Candy Challenge. It's basically very simple. Make your own barbecue sauce and slap it on some ribs. I got that candy. So I've already made my barbecue sauce. I took some cherry Jolly Rancher candies and I took some habanero and I made a very delicious, sweet, savory, and spicy barbecue sauce that I'm gonna be slapping on these ribs. You can actually check that video up in the iCards over here in that section. So no further ado, let's get these ribs on the grill and let's get to cooking. I'm gonna be cooking the ribs a little fast today. I'm gonna cook them for about 2 to 2.5 hours. So I'm gonna cook them for about a good hour, maybe an hour to an hour and a half off of direct flame. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap them in foil and then I'm gonna finish them off there. That way I can kind of get them tender. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of apple juice into the foil. So that way, make it a little bit more tender and, try to get that fall off the bone effect. And then once everything's done, I'm gonna slap my barbecue sauce right at the end. Let that thicken up, and then we'll serve them up. So once these ribs are done, I'm gonna be tagging 3 people. That way this challenge can keep moving along. Basically, it's very simple. All they gotta do is make their best barbecue sauce that they would put on some ribs. They can make their own version. Doesn't have to be exactly like mine. They can use all the creativity they want and make it just how they want it. So we'll get to that later. All right, so you've seen my ribs. You've seen what my barbecue sauce did. So I'm gonna be tagging 3 people. The first one I'm gonna be tagging is my man, AB, down at the channel, Smokin and Grillin with AB. The second one that I'm gonna be challenging is Mack from Mack's Kitchen and Grill. And my third and final channel that I'm gonna be tagging is my boy Meathead down at Meathead's channel. So I'm gonna be leaving a link for all 3 of these channels in my video description, so that way you can go check out their channels. So as soon as they drop that video, you can go check it out too. Oh, and hey guys, make sure you tag 3 other people. That way we can keep this challenge going. So this is my rib candy. Mack, AB, Meathead. Let me see what you make. I'm gonna give you the taste test right now. This thing fall apart, bro. I'll tell you right now, I got a whole mess of flavors going on right now. I get the sauce, I get the rub, but that sauce, man. I get that cherry candy, baby. Oh my gosh. And then that, you get like a background of heat. The heat doesn't come till the end. You get the sweet, you get the savory, but at the end is when you start feeling that heat. You know, I'm starting to feel it right now. Super soft. Oh my gosh. Look at that bone. Probably, hands down, the best ribs I've ever done. And I know I look like a slob. I guarantee my face is full of like barbecue sauce. Really good stuff. Really, really, really good stuff. I just want to end it off here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you've seen today, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button to let me know that you liked what I did. And comment, let me know what you think. Y'all be beautiful and take care.